I'm actually playing off my computer monitors on the PS4, so I have no sound whatsoever. Seen the tweet? Nice. Oh my god. No, I'm not gonna die by these weak things. But yeah, great. I'll PvP you on Friday if you want, man. If you're super keen. Holy crap. Like, do you even hurt me, bro? For me, it's the game I'm playing that decides the platform I play on, such as I wouldn't dare play Assassin's Creed on my PC, but then I wouldn't play Skyrim on my Xbox. That's fair enough. Yeah, that's definitely fair enough. It makes sense too. That's like, I wouldn't play Metal Gear Solid or Mad Max. I don't have Mad Max though, but I wouldn't play Metal Gear Solid or Mad Max on PS4 or Xbox One, but I would play them on PC. I think it definitely, like, whatever you prefer is definitely dictated by, like, what type of game you want to play on what type of system, sort of thing. Only 11? I've been using way too many. Got to go for food, be right back. Sorry, man. I won't play Unity on anything, Kappa. Yeah, I nearly finished Assassin's Creed Unity. And I don't know, I just stopped playing it. Don't know what it was. I just had something sitting there saying, stop playing it. Why are you playing this? But it was fun. I don't know, I think I've just grown out of the Assassin's Creed games. The movie's gonna be something, you know, something else. I can't wait to see the movie. Do you have Battlefield Hardline on Xbox One? Nah, I don't really play Battlefield games much. Assassin's Creed peaked at Brotherhood. Oh, did it? Love the engine, but it's a repeat storyline, but worse. Yeah, it's a really good engine for Assassin's Creed Unity. How the hell did I just do that? Sampi, are you buying Metal Gear Solid 5? I've already got it. Someone gifted it to me on Steam. I have no idea who it was because I quickly clicked it. Whoever it was, thank you very much. But yeah, I've already got it for PC. It's, I don't know, it's hard to describe what kind of game it is. I played from 1 to 3, and it's a really different game. There's less character depth and connection. Yeah, that's kind of sucks. I have no idea what Mad Max is like. Does anyone know what Mad Max is like? Like what type of game it is? Is it RPG? Ezio is the peak of their character development. Yeah, he was pretty cool. I did play Brotherhood, the third one with the Templars. I wish I had a PC instead of a laptop. bugger. It is very well optimized for weak systems. That's definitely true, Nikan. Like, I get frame droppage on my GTX 970 on the film clips, everything on Ultra, but I turned the shadows off and AA and a couple of other things, and yeah, it started working perfect. But I think that could have just been when I had Windows 10 and OBS was playing up after doing a Windows update. Like the latest Windows update for Windows 10, beware. Wait, Mad Max is an RPG. The reviews for it were far too harsh, most people say. Really? So it's actually a good game, but the reviews were bad. Mix of Assassin's Creed, Far Cry, and Batman. Solid 7 out of 10. Doesn't do a lot new. Car combat and weather. Vistas, the high points. Ah. Really? So it's like quests. Kind of like yeah, like you said. Oh, okay. Black Flag was actually pretty awesome, but it didn't really feel like an Assassin's Creed game. It felt more like a pirate game. Yeah, I agree with that, Chelsea. I did play Assassin's Creed Black Flag pretty much like the whole way through. A mix of Borderlands, Fallout, and Batman. There's guns in it, isn't there? There's like gunfights. But what's the combat like? Is the combat kind of like Assassin's Creed-ish, where you know, like you have predetermined skills where you just press buttons? Because I'd probably like to try Mad Max, but I'm really on the fence about playing Mad Max or Metal Gear Solid 5 on the stream, because I tried Metal Gear Solid and no one was interested, and it kind of put me on the fence because like I don't want to piss people off. But I know out of all you guys, do you guys like Destiny? Sup Goose? How's it going, man? Welcome. Love Black Flag. I really couldn't get into any other Assassin's Creed other than the first one. Okay, nice. Anyone knows if Borderlands 3 is coming out? That's hard to say, Wizmail, because before they even posted anything to do about a Borderlands 3 game, there's rumors of a Borderlands movie before Borderlands 3. Combat is Batman-like. Oh, interesting. Because I do like my Batman games. I really wanted to get Arkham Knight on PC, but by the time like I went around to, I lurk a little too much. That's fine, man. That's all good. But by the time I actually wanted to get around to buying it, they'd already, you know, taken it off Steam because of how it wouldn't run very well on certain PCs, which kind of sucked because now I don't know where to get Arkham Knight. Half-Life 3, it's Illuminati, that's all I'm saying. No one knows. I do miss Gaben, but like I honestly wouldn't be able to tell you if there's a Half-Life 3. There's probably going to be a new Counter-Strike before a Half-Life 3. Kappa. It's Batman Light, i.e. more simple system. Damn. That's not too bad then. I'd probably enjoy Mad Max. Not a whole bunch, but probably would enjoy it. Destiny, no interest at all? Bugger. I know, yeah, the console version of Arkham Knight is very solid compared to the PC. A lot of people played it very well, even at the 60 frames when they, you know, where they broke it to the 60 frames. But oh, she's so cute. I got a free copy of Batman. Bought a key through GMG Warner. Had them give refunds, but the key is still active. Damn, that's pretty cool. You know I like Destiny, but I know everyone does. Wait, you know I like Destiny, but I know not everyone does. Yeah, I know. I really like Destiny too. It's one of my all-time favorite games. It's excellent. Like I love the visuals, I love the look, everything of it. Like the aspect of the guns, you know, just how the armors look. Yeah, it definitely, I don't know, it turns me into a little kid inside, you know. And I reckon like the animations for the classes and the armors is just full of swag. I don't know what it is. I reckon Taken King's gonna get a lot of people for Destiny. A lot of people are gonna come back and just be like, whoa, what is this? This is insane. Why didn't they just bring this out to begin with? Become a Sith Lord in the Taken King. Yeah, it's, those swords. Are you gonna play the Taken King Hades? Those swords, holy crap, they're gonna be so strong. I can kind of see them being nerfed, but even still, I'm still gonna use it if they get nerfed. I'm just not gonna care at all. If people are wondering what I'm doing, I'm farming vials to fight Paarl. And it was 4. Wait. Ouch. I might do, but I'm gonna buy Shadows of Mordor, Alien Isolation, and The Witcher's DLC before. Okay, that's pretty cool, man. That's quite interesting. I would never say that's a bad idea because I'm very keen for Alien Isolation. Even though it's been out for a while, I don't know. I'm waiting for it to come out cheap on Steam, and then I'm gonna snap it up for Halloween and pretty much play that all through Halloween. Games like that really make me